Welcome to Facts for Fit. Today we are going to show you how to make your own lemon garlic water. Lemon garlic water is an easy and healthy drink that is rich in vitamins and nutrients. It's a natural way to boost your metabolism and burn calories. It's also a great way to support digestion. Here is the recipe for lemon garlic water. 1 glass of warm water. Half lemon, sliced and squeezed. Half garlic clove, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Pour the warm water into a glass and add the lemon slices. Squeeze the lemon to add the juice. Then add the garlic clove and mix everything thoroughly. Finally, add a teaspoon of honey to enhance the flavor. Stir everything well and drink it immediately for best results. You can drink it every morning to start your day. Enjoy your lemon garlic water.